We're back. Looks like it's day 2 and I'm here again, so let's get started. If you haven't seen the first one of this, it came out yesterday, go watch it there. I'm building a Mobius strip. You can find out more if you want to start this series with me. So I am just gluing up all the rings. It's just a slow process and I like to take my time doing it so I don't screw up. I don't want to change my 4-degree angle too much, so I'm just doing this by hand just to touch up the surface, get it nice and flat. I drilled a hole in the center of all of these triangles, so that way it acts as a location pin. So when I glue each one up, it twists around the center. Alright, the second section is all glued up. These rings, right there and right there, have been sitting gluing up for well over an hour now. So I'm going to take them off of the clamps. And you're probably wondering how many of these clamps I have. I have 200 of them. So it starts going a little faster. You go from 1 ring to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8. So once you get going, it starts to pick up a little bit. It's just getting going. It takes time. I had some questions about how I line up all of the triangles when I'm gluing them up. And I have vertical lines on all of these. So I take that vertical line and I draw it up on the top and bottom with a straight edge. And so I'll have one right here, and right there. So it makes lining up the triangles a lot easier. So I am five triangles short because I had 10 extra. No, I cut 5 extra, and then I glued 10 of these triangles up the wrong way. So now I'm 5 short. So I need to go cut them some more lumber, but my board is right up there. So I need to get it down. I left all of my machine operations set up just in case I had to come back and like redo a step. So I made this little stop block so these go in there, and then I took this and I raised it up with just some scrap pieces of wood. That way if sawdust comes in here, it just slides underneath. All the rings are at least cut and sanded and glued up in 2x2. So those are glued up. And this I just kind of put together. It's not like in the form it's going to be, but I like to put it up in a way that I can see how much twist it's going to need, like kind of like checks and balances. So this is what we're looking like right now. Yeah, it doesn't look like much. It kind of looks kind of weird, but see how the twist is coming along. So it's not glued up yet, but they're just glued up in like pieces of like 6 or 4 or 8. And if you didn't watch yesterday's video, this is what I'm making. Mobius strip. Alright. It was only a half day for me. I gotta go record a podcast, so we'll see you guys later. Actually, tomorrow. And someone was commenting about the white balance on this. Can you help me with that, please? Because I don't know how to change it. Cappuccinos are probably my weakness.